Alright, hey guys. Today I'm going to be in Adopt Me. Its video title is probably gonna be named A Random Day in Adopt Me. And if you wanna find all of the random days then in different Roblox games, then you could just then I'll probably create a playlist after this video uploads. So yeah. I'll link the playlist down below. And also I'm with my friend from school, Kyren. You probably won't be. You'll probably hear me talking to myself, but I'm actually talking to him on the phone. I don't know if the phone will. I don't know if the phone will capture the audio. I mean, if my mic will capture the audio from his phone, but because I'm probably gonna chat to him in Roblox as well. Alright, so let's go. Yeah. Uh. Okay. 88. Yeah. You only have what? You can get roller skates. Just teleport to me. Just teleport to me. You can get roller skates. If I had Discord, it would be way better. Actually, I do have Discord, but if I had your Discord, it would be way more better. That sound again. I don't know what's going on. I told you you might be hearing me talking to myself, but there's actually someone on the phone with me. Yeah, hello? Yeah, for like a second I couldn't. For like a second I couldn't. Wait. This way. Just wait, and after I'll teleport you to my thing, to the vehicle shop. Just wait. Alright. I am almost there. No, not yet, not yet. Alright. Finally. Meow, meow. I cannot hear you at all. That sound again. Alright, you can teleport to me now. Yeah. How can you hear me? Bruh. What? He literally just declined the call. Ended the call. Okay. I guess I'm just be by myself. Alright. What's this? Okay, now. Oh. Alright, he wants me to call him. But my pet needs a shower though. Let me just reset. And you don't even have to buy the teleport to the thing, Game Pass, because all you have to do is just reset, and then you can bring your pet to your house. Just walk up. Then boom, see? And after all you have to do is just teleport to the shop area, and then you can, go back to the city. You don't even have to get a house near the city. You have to do just reset, teleport, reset, teleport. Yeah, hello? Wonder Wall? Hello? You just cut off. Yeah, hello? Me neither. Oh, that's fine. I mean, that's good. I literally just passed by you. I probably didn't see you. Alright. I am, but you're talking to me. That's why. Alright. Yeah, it is next to my mic. Yeah. I have no idea. Okay. And as I said, if you don't have any Robux, just if you don't have any Robux and you love playing this game and you want to teleport to and you want to live next to the nursery, all you have to do is just reset whenever whenever your pet has to go take a shower or something or sleep, and then after if he wants to go to like a hot spring, if he wants to go to the like hot spring, then just teleport to the showcase store and walk if you don't have any vehicles. Yes, my dinosaur aged up is now a teen. What's not working? What thing? Oh, the YouTube thing. Or connecting your phone to the laptop. I don't know what's called. I don't know what you're even talking about. I've read. I mean, I've like, I think it's cyan or something. Like the ice skating area. Okay. I don't know. They're white. I can't see the color. Yeah, they're white. Um, yeah, I could look at it, but I just rolled over it. What are we gonna do? I don't know. Cold, snow. Hey, I'm gonna follow this person. Bruh, literally, my motorcycle is literally catching up with them. Yeah, they have the chariot, But I'm literally like almost faster than them. I don't know. The game is just, they're literally trying to scam us. They're trying to make people buy their things. This is why I don't really like playing Adopt Me that much. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna probably end the video here because I don't really know anything to do. Alright, bye now. Bye.